Hello guys, welcome to PHP Basics section 1.7. Today I will show you how to create an if case in PHP. Go ahead and open your text editor and your browser on localhost. Basically, an if case is very important in PHP because with the condition you can execute the codes that you want, and this is more of course for security and validations also. Let's get started. Create variables a equal 20, b equal 34, and c equal 20. And I'll show you something else also, password. So let's create pass equal to 2020. Alright, so put them all together here. This is nice. Alright, so let's get started. To get started, to create an if case, you just put if, the condition inside, and brackets. You don't even need brackets. You can do it also if case like this, and put the code right here. So there's many ways to make an if case. You can also put instead of this, you can put if here and the statement, but today I'll show you the easy way to do it. So if case, the condition. Now the condition, it's you're telling PHP that if this is the condition that I want, please execute the following codes in the brackets. Alright, so to start an easy way, let's say A is less than B, and echo A is less than B, and we'll put a break line. Alright, so here you're saying if A is less than B, please echo this code right here. So if you go back to our browser and refresh, 20 is less than 34. Alright, so now another one, if A is less or equal, less or equal is very important because sometimes with database and numbers, with clients in the database and stuff, you need to actually almost always put less or equal because you need it. So if it's less or equal than 20, please execute this code. A is less or equal to 20. And save the code, refresh, and you're supposed to get it. 20 is less or equal than 20. But let's say you have A, which is 20, is less than 20. You're not supposed to get anything here. Alright, so another way to do it, if A is equal to 20, then echo A is equal to 20, and put a break line. So 20 is equal to 20. If it's not equal to 20, if A is not equal to 20, you're not supposed to get anything. Alright, so here if you have, it's the same thing actually. If you have it's equal to 21, then execute this code, but it's not equal to 20, so it's equal to 21. So here you can also put in the if case, you can also put if a is not equal to 20, alright, please echo this a is not equal to 20, and of course a break line. Now there's another thing you can put in else. So if a, which is 20, is not equal to 20, echo this. Else echo a is equal to 20. Alright, see what happened. 20 is equal to 20, because here you're saying 20 is not equal to 20 if, always put the if in your head. So if a is not equal to 20, please echo that. Else echo this. So if you're saying here if a is less than 5, echo this. If it's more, echo this. You know what I mean? So now we'll start another example that you will use a lot in PHP programming, validations and security measures for PHP codes. So usually you use it for forms to validate. Let's say if the string is empty, you can put if empty. That means if the string in parentheses is empty, echo please fill up this form. Else you can put echo your information was submitted. So this is an example of the way you have to do it. Your information was submitted. So you can also put if this is not empty, if this string is not empty, you can reverse it. Alright, you can put this like this. It's the same. So let's go back. Your information was submitted. So because sometimes in your validations you need to execute some security codes and database, so you need to validate the user before you do so, because this is security measures. So another way to do it, you can put also let's redo it here. So if C is equal to equal, that means it's equal to this string. Okay, so if it's equal to anything, this is Tony, or you can say whatever, welcome to Tony profile. Else you can put account does not exist. Alright, go back to your browser, refresh. Account does not exist, because the user, we're validating that if the name, let's say it's not this, well, if it's this, do this, else the account doesn't exist. Alright, so another way to do it, in if case, you don't need always the brackets. You can put if C is equal to Tony, enter, echo hello Tony, and you can say else and echo account do not exist. It's the same. Alright, so you see hello Tony, because we put if it's equal to Tony. Now, another thing that in if case you can put many conditions as you want. So if C is equal to Tony, and you have the operator AND in PHP, you have OR. This is OR. You can also put OR. You have OR AND. So you're telling the condition if the name is equal to this and the password is equal to 2020, please execute the following code. Welcome to your profile. Else you can put in PHP there. I'll show you something very easy that you should know. It's header. That means you're redirecting the customer to another page. If you don't want him to go to the next page of the profile, you can redirect him by putting header location, and you put the location, let's say index, let's say cc.php, for example. Okay, depending on your directory, but here let's say you have a directory profile denied, and then you have index.php. So this, if the statement is not true, it'll redirect the user to this location. Or you can put, let's say, echo wrong password or username. Alright, so go back to your code, refresh, welcome to your profile, because I was very specific in my condition. If C equal to Tony and it's equal to 2020, please do this statement right here. If it's not equal, please do this statement. So here you can put, but you have to be careful sometimes because the and the or statement. So if you put or, that means you're not validating both. You're not validating the username and the password. You're validating either the username, either the password. So this is no good. Alright, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.